In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a statement in Xero. So let's get started and guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you're well equipped to manage this aspect of your business's financial interactions. First, we need to open a web browser and head over to Xero's website. Simply type Xero into your browser's search bar and hit enter. This should bring you to Xero's main page. Once there, look for the login button and give it a click. Enter your credentials to access your Xero account. Great! Now that we're in, it's time to navigate to the Contacts section. This is where you can find and manage all your clients' details. When you've clicked on Contacts, you'll see an option labeled All Contacts. Select this option to display a comprehensive list of every contact you've stored in your Xero account. Now, find the specific contact to whom you wish to send a statement. This could be a client or a business partner, depending on the situation. With the right contact selected, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll spot 3 little dots. These represent more options available for this contact. Click on these dots to reveal a small menu of actions. Among these options, you'll see Send Statements. By choosing this, you're just moments away from preparing that vital statement. At this point, you have a couple of ways to forward the statement. You can either print it as a PDF or send it directly via email. If you choose to print as a PDF, this allows you to review the statement in a document form, which might be handy if you need a physical copy or want to glance over it before sending. On the other hand, emailing the statement is straightforward and sends it directly to the contact's email address on file, which is an efficient way to ensure timely communication. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of sending a statement in Xero. Remember that staying organized with your statement sending can greatly impact your financial communications, keeping everything clear and professional with your contacts. Keep in mind the choice between printing a PDF or sending an email. Both have their places in different business scenarios, and you might find one more suitable than the other. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process simple and clear. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to confirm the steps, and don't hesitate to explore other features in Xero to further streamline your business processes. Until next time, happy accounting!